It's behind you, Tyrone. Whenever you reverse, things come from behind you.
Brakes are still good. Well. Oh, what the hell?
So let's see what part of this picture this woman doesn't understand. It's one way. It's one way.
I missed that one. The fuck are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? The fuck are you doing? You're over there. Fuck. Ah. Oh man. Oh, that's a good start to my day.
Fucking flashing me for, mate. I'm doing the speed limit.
Much later.
That was fucking close. Oh, fuck me! Shit. Oh. Oh, it came out of nowhere. What?
time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Oh boy, is this great!
What a fucking wanker. Fucking muppet.
So,
Fine.
did I walk out? Yeah.
Wow.
This is her. I
Wow.
was trying to, sorry. let me-
Try and explain what that complete Neanderthal and that you.
They don't want you standing in front of their door recording their
Oh yeah, I'm definitely doing that. Yeah, I'm doing that though, Ritter.
Well,
That's
of
why-
course it's a fucking Ranger. What a wanker.
A few moments later.
As is this Ranger driver. He's going to drive all the way to the end and cut down the shoulder. Because that's the kind of wanker that drives one of these things. Get ready. There you go. Fucking Christ. The fucking one, that dickhead.
Raised today, yeah. Okay. Unfortunately, I mean, it might not be nice to hear that. No, but I flew over many customs bonded places. All it means is taxes hasn't been paid on the goods yet. That's all.
Right. Well, it's just what I've been told.
Yeah.
As
Do you know if you let public on, that's wrong.
Public can't come on my yard
because it's bonded.
Yeah, but you're flying over the bonded round this area where the green fence is.
I will be. Yeah.
Is a bonded.
Just to have a look. That's all. I'm not taking anything. I'll touch it.
Look at these two absolute arse clowns. We live in the upside down world. You got this clown sitting in the right lane. No fucking clue. Christ, they're both Hyundais. And you got this clown.
Forced you to get the team through, so you power on. How do you feel giving all you got right at the final call? How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel like a two-ways. I feel like a two-ways. I feel like a two-ways of two. I feel like a two-ways. I feel like a two-ways. I feel like a two-ways of two.
It's one way. It's one way. Yeah, it is. You've just driven over the fucking arrow. You've just driven over the arrow. It's one way. Yes, look in your mirror.
But I ain't a crypto, but I got a gang of niggas. Bye.